Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the host PC and network so connection works reliably. Enable remote desktop in system settings and write down the PC name or local IP address. Make sure Windows Firewall allows remote desktop for the correct network profile, and confirm the account you'll use has a password and proper remote desktop user's permission. Once done, consider reserving a local IP or note router details. This prevents address changes that break connections and saves time when you move to the client setup. Now you connect from the client machine and fine-tune settings for a smooth session. Open the remote desktop client, paste the host PC name or public IP, and enter credentials using the correct format such as PC/user or Microsoft account/email. Before you connect, expand Show options to set display resolution and map local drives, printers, or clipboard to transfer files. If you'll reconnect often, save the connection file. It preserves authentication and resource mapping to speed future access, while keeping credentials. Finish by validating the full connection path and knowing one key troubleshooting step. Test RDP locally first. Once successful, try via VPN or router port forwarding if remote. If it fails, verify Windows Firewall rules, confirm the user is allowed to remote in system settings, and ping the host to test reachability. One practical tip: enable network-level authentication logs and review Event Viewer to see why the session is denied. This often reveals mismatched credentials or blocked ports, so you can fix the exact cause quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.